with another video. We're hoping to release it video for everything been going on. For more content, we'll be showing you about the new Fortnite card they added that not many people know about yet. I'll be showing you how to get it, how to know where to go, and it will look like a Lambo if you see it, the car. It is a 100% guarantee. It runs there all the time, and you don't just. I'll show you the new location too with it, and show you around the whole place. I hope you like the video, and let's get into it after we get in the solo match. I don't care about winning or anything. I'm just saying, let's just start showing you the car. After we're in the solo match, the happy birthday bus, I don't think I can get copyrighted from it. Right here, if you want to get the new car, go right there in my mini map, right there. Go right there if you want to get the car. And there's a lot of map changes right there today. It happened today. If you want, you don't want to go into the building, just go and grab it in the garage, and you can drive the car anywhere you want to go. It's like a new style for the car. This is actual legit. Fortnite actually added this. I will show you the decorations. I don't know if I can get copyright for this. For Rocket League, the celebration is Rocket League. If you want to get the prizes, you get free rewards if you can complete challenges at Rocket League. I know that's cool. Go here on top of the building or anywhere else and grab some loot if there are people charging you. And there's a car. Number 5 on it. Rocket League. Rocket League again. And I'll show you the back of it. You'll see Rocket League on the back. Not many people know about this yet, but it will on the card and this. It will play the song if you get near it. I don't know if it's copyrighted. The players. No, they took the car. I want to drive it. It's a brand new car. The rarest car in the game right now. You can't get it right now. Only one car is in the whole game. Give me one car in one match. You have to be lucky to get the car. I'm just saying, I hope you learned something from this video, and I'll leave a like on this vid, and I taught you a lot about this new location. You see, Rocket League. Go and play Rocket League and get free rewards on Rocket League, and you get the car back bling. You see this? Yeah. I already have a little bit. I didn't collect them all yet. Thanks YouTube, and I'll be coming back on my new song today or tomorrow. Bye YouTube.